Good morning, students. We have already done the volume and surface area in class 9. Same volume and surface area we have to do in class 10, but this time we have some different kind of sounds. Before that, let's review the formulas of volume and surface area. First is cube. Cube is six-sided figure where all sides are equal. The curved surface area of this is 4a square. Total surface area is 6a square. Volume is a cube, and the length of diagonal or the longest rod we can put under root 3a. Second is cuboid, where opposite sides are equal, like geometry box या lunch box. The curved surface area or area of four walls is 2 into L plus B into H. B. Total surface area is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. C. Volume is L into B into H. D. The diagonal is equal to L square plus B square plus H square under the root. Third is cylinder. Cylinder is, this is the radius, this is height. First of all is curved surface area. Curved surface area is means excluding base and top is 2 pi r h. B. Total surface area is curved surface area plus area of base and top. C. Volume is pi r square h. Number 4 is hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder is like pipe which is empty from inside and it has two radius. First radius is this is small r and this is capital R. This is r minus r is thickness and this is the height. First is the curved surface area, that is curved surface area of outer plus curved surface area of inner. Total surface area is curved surface area plus area of base and top 2 pi, that is area of ring as we have done in circle. Volume means the inside, that is the volume. Volume means pi r square h. And when he is saying the volume of material used to make it, that is volume of outer minus volume of inner. Number 5 is cone. This is cone, this is radius, this is height, this is L is slant height, this is 90. The curved surface area is pi r L. Total surface area is curved surface area plus area of base, and C volume is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Number 6 is sphere. Sphere is a circular solid. The curved surface area and total surface area is same, that is 4 pi r square, and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then you have hemisphere. Hemisphere is when you do the half of sphere that is the curve surface area. Obviously that will be also half 2 pi r square, but it has total surface area also, that is the curve surface area plus area of top, that means 3 pi r square. See, volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then number 8 is spherical shell. Spherical shell this is small radius, this is capital radius, and this is thickness. The curve surface area is 4 pi r square plus 4 pi r square. Total surface area is also same. Volume, when I'm talking about the volume, volume means inside. 4 by 3 pi r cube, and D is volume of material is 4 by 3 volume of outer minus volume of inner. Ninth is hemispherical shell. This is radius, this is capital radius, so the curve surface area is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square. B, total surface area is curve surface area plus area of top, that means pi r square minus r square. Volume means inside, 2 by 3 pi r cube, and D, volume of material is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. The next formula is frustum. Frustum of cone. Frustum of cone is, this is small radius, this is capital radius, this is h, this is l. First of all is the curve surface area. Curve surface area is pi r l plus pi r capital L is pi r l. B, total surface area is pi r l plus pi r l plus pi r square plus pi r square, or it will be pi l r plus r. C is the volume, pi h by 3 r square plus r square plus r into r, and d slant height is equal to h square plus r minus r whole square under the root. ठीक है जी. Now we'll do the few sums related to this. The first example in this is the Mayank made the bird part of a garden in the shape of a cylinder with the hemisphere depression. This is the shape of bird bird and it has hemispherical depression. The question is, the height of cylinder is this, find the total surface area of this. The radius is 30 centimeter. Height of cylinder is 1.45 meter. Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. In combination of figure, surface area means the exposed part of that figure, what I can see. So that will be CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. If I have to paint, I will paint here and I will paint here. That's it. So 2 pi r is common, h plus r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 30. This is 1.4. So height will be 145 centimeter is equal to 30 plus 145. 2 into 22 by 7 into 30 into 175 centimeter square, which is equal to 33,000 centimeter square. Example 2. Example 2 is two cubes of each volume are joined end to end. Two cubes. One cube is this, another cube is this. And two cube volume of one cube is 64 centimeter square. We have to find the surface area. Find the surface area of resulting cuboid. So we join, then cube volume of cube is equal to 64, which is a cube is equal to 64. A is equal to 8 centimeter. This will be 8, this will be 8. So now cuboid length will be 16, width will be 8, and height also will be 8. So surface area means the surface I can see everything. That means the total surface area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL 2 into this is 4 4, so this is 4 8 4 4 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4. So it will be 2 into 32 plus 16 plus 32, 80. That will be 160 centimeters square. Question number 3. Question number 3 is a decorative block shown in a figure a hemisphere is placed on that. The question is, the base of a block is cube, edge of cube is 5 centimeter, and the hemisphere, diameter of hemisphere is 4.2 centimeter. Question is, find the total surface area. Now, as I said, the total surface area of combination of figure is the total surface area of cube plus what I can see this, that is curved surface area of hemisphere. As this part has covered, so minus area of circle, or area of circle or base of hemisphere. So this total surface area of cube is 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square. 6 into 5 into 5 plus 22 by 7, this will be pi r, 21 by 10 into 21 by 10. So 6, 5, 30, 150 plus 3, 66 into 21, 66, 132 plus 13.86. Answer will be 163.86 centimeter square. Thank you for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.